I had equals.
Ich hatte.
Master German past, haben, fast. Welcome from Synapse Lingo. Hey there, nice to have you. Ready to laugh a little and learn a lot? This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and freebies. Today you'll master the German past of to have.
Ich hatte. Du hattest. Hatte. Sie hatte. Es hatte. Wir hatten. Ihr hattet. Sie hatten.
Deep breath, smile on, your brain learns better when you're having fun. Let's go. Your goal today. By the end, you'll use all 8 forms naturally, in friendly do style. I had.
Ich hatte.
Yesterday, I had time. You had, do.
Du hattest.
You had the keys, right? He had.
Hatte.
He had no time. She had.
Sie hatte.
She had 2 tickets. It had.
Es hatte.
It had no battery. We had.
Wir hatten.
We had a plan. You had, plural.
Ihr hattet.
You all had luck. They had.
Sie hatten.
They had many questions. Pronunciation quickie. Tiny tip before we sprint. Keep the double T crisp. Hatte, hat test, hat 10. Say it with me.
Ich hatte. Du hattest. Wir hatten.
Your tongue is the drummer, short, tidy beats. Time travel mini dialogue. Listen once, then echo each German line out loud. You. Yesterday, I had time, but then I napped like a cat. German.
Ich hatte.
Gestern Zeit, aber dann habe ich wie eine Katz genapped. Friend. Wait, you had the keys. German.
Du hattest.
Doch die Schlüssel. You. He had the spare key, plot twist. German.
Hatte.
Den Schlüssel, plot twist. Friend. She had 2 tickets and still forgot popcorn. Classic. German.
Sie hatte.
2 Tickets und vergaß trotzdem popcorn. You. The phone? It had 1% battery, drama. German. Das Handy?
Es hatte.
1% Akku, drama. Friend. We had a plan, snacks first, movie later. German.
Wir hatten.
Einen Plan, erst Snacks, dann Film. You all had luck with the weather. German.
Ihr hattet.
Glück mit dem Wetter. Friend. In the end, they had all the answers. German. Am Ende.
Sie hatten.
Alle Antworten. Lightning drills. Quick call and response. Say it before I reveal the answer. Say in German, we had no time. Answer.
Wir hatten keine Zeit.
Say in German, he had a great idea. Answer.
Hatte eine großartige Idee.
Say in German, it had no signal. Answer.
Es hatte keinen Empfang.
Say in German, you, plural, had the map. Answer.
Ihr hattet die Karte.
Say in German, they had luck. Answer.
Sie hatten Glück.
Say in German, I had a question. Answer.
Ich hatte eine Frage.
Say in German, you, do, had no choice. Answer.
Du hattest keine Wahl.
Say in German, she had the tickets. Answer.
Sie hatte die Tickets.
Culture tip. Keep it natural. Here's how natives actually use it. In everyday German, the simple past of haben is super common for states and possession.
Ich hatte Hunger. Wir hatten Zeit.
Don't mix up
Sie hatte.
she had with
Sie hatten.
they had. Your tiny n tells the tale. In questions, just flip it.
Hattest du?
Seid? Quick quiz. Answer out loud, then check yourself. Fill the blank. She, yesterday, ____ luck. Answer.
Sie hatte.
Gluck. Translate. They had many questions. Answer.
Sie hatten viele Fragen.
Choose the right form. You had no time. Answer.
Du hattest keine Zeit.
Translate. We had a dog. Answer.
Wir hatten einen Hund.
Fill the blank. The gadget? ____ no battery. It. Answer.
Es hatte.
Keinen Akku. Mini trick. I had versus he had. Say both in German. Answer.
Ich hatte.
_/.
Hatte.
Group form. You, plural, had the keys. Answer.
Ihr hattet die Schlüssel.
30-second challenge. Ready for a fun sprint? Create 8 short sentences that use each form once.
Ich hatte. Du hattest. Hatte. Sie hatte. Es hatte. Wir hatten. Ihr hattet. Sie hatten.
Keep them super simple. Time, keys, snacks, luck, and say them out loud twice. Bonus. Add one silly detail to make it memorable. Friendly wrap up. You crushed it, nice work. Thanks for listening, and keep practicing these 8 forms in quick daily bursts. For more lessons, games, and downloads, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Learn smarter, smile more. Bis bald.